So this is a VLAN based one in comparison, and I'm running the base C runner. So context it's around 4 seconds, 4.5 seconds, right? Now what I'm doing is I'm sort of doing the same thing with this binary from VLAN, and you might see a straight up contrast here that this program does not spit out HTML. I did that for a reason. If I go to my source and in the background I'm removing the I'm reintroducing the HTML back into this thing and I'm compiling with the prod flag. So the compiler is also a little rudimentary in that I do not have a lot of scope for optimization. The only flag it provides is a prod flag. Beyond that, it is pretty much anybody's guess. So another option that I'm looking at is to generate the C out of it and then try to compile that with my flag. And I am running it again now with HTML. The previous run was 5 seconds, the 4.6 something seconds on the C binary, 4.8 I guess. Now goes to B binary with the HTML. See how it goes. So some DNS cache would have already happened. So if you look at it, it is at least 2x lower than the C binary. And what is the trade-off here? So when around 40 lines of code is what I have in my 50 lines of code in my main.p. A lot of heavy lifting is done, and this, by the way, is another 2-3 lines have been included in the request response cycle that I'm experimenting with. So let's say 50 lines on average here, right? Compare that to this is a full blown thing. It has a lot of content extraction as well along with this thing. It's about 1300 lines. If I extract out the content extraction part, specifics of it all, it might come to around 600 lines average. Now I can still optimize that. 50 lines versus 600 to 750 lines is the delta here. But what is the outcome? If I have to have a 2x slow runtime, I would rather trade it for 2x code base, which is, as a matter of fact, in a maintained manner here, so we don't really have a lot of concern around that. And it's a one-time thing. So it is not a frequently updated one. It's straight up handleable.